What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Mirror Table, where what you bring to the table is a reflection of you. And today we're bringing my house to the table. So by the time I show you this video, I will have sold my beautiful 5,000 square foot house located in a cul-de-sac up on a hill on over half acre of land and traded in for a fixer-upper. So my goal is to live mortgage free. I always want to be mortgage free, and so what I did is sold my house and I used the proceeds to buy a fixer upper. So I'm going to show you two houses that my real estate agent showed me, and I'm gonna just do a narrated video and walk you through these houses, and let me know which one you think I bought. And in the next video, I will reveal and give you a tour of the house that I actually did buy. So let's go ahead and take a look at these two houses and see what they're all about. So
this first house is a Dutch Revival Colonial smacked right in the middle of a neighborhood revitalization program. So the first thing I noticed is the cracked sidewalk. There's lopsided stairs and there's no railing on the porch. Let's go ahead inside and see what this place is all about. The listing says this house has 3 bedrooms, 1 bath, and it's about 1,400 square feet. So you walk right in, there's stairs like right as soon as you walk in the door. Okay, and I notice there's cardboard in the window. So we're gonna need a new window over here. The paint is not looking too good, but this looks like a really nice house. So this house was built in 1914. It was built right after the Great Flood in Dayton, Ohio. And this right here is a bedroom. This is nice. It has nice windows in front. We have the radiators here. And let's see, it looks like the closet. And the closet is like a slanty type thing going on. The poles look like they need to, or they've seen better days. So I don't know if this closet is kind of small for me. And let's go ahead and check out some of the other rooms. So this is another bedroom. I see there are 2 windows. There's a window here that looks out the back and a window that's on the side that you can see your neighbor right away. Ceiling fans. It looks like all the bedrooms have hardwood floors. Check out the bathroom. This is the tiniest bathroom I've ever seen. So this house has 1 bathroom. So guys, I'll be going from 4 bathrooms to 1. I don't know about this. So anyway, the bathroom does look like it needs some work, but I mean, it's livable for now. But it is really, really tiny. Looks like this is a medicine cabinet here. So, this is so small. So let's check out another bedroom. This is bedroom number 3. There's a window and then, there's a door. So there's a door right here. So it has its own little balcony back here. This is cute. This is kind of like Parisian vibes back here. So this is super cute. So I do like this. So let's go ahead and take a look at the other parts of the house. We're going to go ahead and go downstairs and see what other rooms they have down there. So as we head downstairs, you see this stairway right here and see how close it is to the entry. It's right there. Okay, so then we have a dining room area. Very well lit in this home. Lots of windows, which I really love. Lots of natural light. It has a fireplace. And there's 2 windows next to the fireplace. And then we have a bay window. Okay, and it also comes with a 3-car garage. This is a very old garage, which back in the day they called it a carriage house. And it had a horse, a carriage, and a new automobile was in this 3-car garage at one point. So the concrete has a lot of cracks on the flooring area, but it's really cool that this detached garage has a very high ceiling. So this has a lot of good potential for a workroom as well as a garage, but it does need a lot of work. And this is the back of the house, and it does have a very manageable backyard, which I do like. And the house also has a full basement, and there's a weird toilet down here. I don't even know why there's a toilet in the basement, but it's here. So I see potential for another bathroom because 1 bathroom is not going to do it. So the basement, as you can see, is unfinished, and it is like a dungeon down here. It is, I don't know, it's dark and moist and wet. So I don't know. So this is the basement. It has the furnace and central air. So that is a great bonus. And this house is well over 100 years old. So it still has the boiler, and the old pipes from the boiler are still in this house. There is also a pantry down here. I guess they used it at one time to store their food. The listing price for this house is $100,000. And it's livable while you do renovations. So that makes this house a really good contender. But there's another house that came on the market that is only $20,000. So this house is all brick. It's in a historical neighborhood. And this house actually survived the Great Flood in Dayton, Ohio, where the water reached 20 feet. Many people lost their homes and businesses, but this house stood strong. Now this house is going to need a total renovation. My agent said bring a drill and wear some boots. First off, I noticed this house is going to need windows. I don't see any windows here. Everything is boarded up. I do see a little bit of damage of the bricks on the side. Overall, this is a very solid structure. So I'm just gonna walk around the house because I don't know what to expect on the inside, but I do want to see what's out here. So I noticed there is not a garage, but there is a room for a garage. So I could actually build one of those. Also, there's an open lot next door to it. So I could actually acquire that lot as well. That way I can have a beautiful landscaped garden. Okay. Let's go ahead and take it on the inside and see what I have to work with here. And also this area is the Paul Laurence Dunbar Wright brothers area. Paul Laurence Dunbar was a Black international poet, and the Wright brothers pioneered aviation. So there's steps right here that you walk up, and then porch. And then, we need to drill it out?
I just pulled it, it came right off, and fell off.
Oh, that scaffold?
Yeah.
So let's wait till she gets here.
Yeah, I'm not going there.
We can't even go in there.
Yeah.
So this isn't like I'm really gonna go in here at all, but kind of taking a peek. But some really nice doors. Doors look really nice, and the rooms look really small. It's kind of peeked through, but this is like a total
it was doing something.
rehab. Looks like they're doing something here. You think?
Yeah. Everything here. Up front.
But they just dragged. Here's a fireplace here on one side, but they just kind of dragged everything out, and everything's just kind of sitting here, so I don't think I can even walk in here.
Down to the stud.
Yeah. But nice doors. Okay, guys, I'm in. After I walked over the doors, as you can see, there's just debris everywhere. So there are holes in the floor. It looks like someone started doing some work and was just like, screw it. So there's all kind of tools. There's a scaffold. There's just everything in here you can actually use. So not only are you getting the house, but it's a great bonus of tools here. So this is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath. There is a main floor and an upstairs, and there's no basement. There are holes in the floor. There are holes in the ceiling. Like I said, a complete, total renovation. What I like about this is that it's, first of all, it's $20,000. And in this neighborhood, you can renovate the home and then the value really increases quickly. So currently the renovated houses in this neighborhood are going for $200,000 to $300,000. If I were to get this house for like $20,000, I would put maybe $100,000 for renovations, which is a really tight budget for this. And I would have to do a lot of DIY. Okay, so this is the stairway here. And when you get up here, you have a landing and then you have 3 bedrooms, one in front, one on the right, one on the left. No utilities on, so it's very dark in here. This is a really nice house, and I'm an interior designer, so I can really see the beauty in it. The price of this house makes it a really big contender. So I really need to crunch the numbers on this. Only thing is I can't live in it when I renovate it. So that means I would have to rent an apartment for like 6 months while this is being renovated. I have looked at so many houses on my journey to become mortgage free, but these 2 houses really have me thinking. So my agent said that one of the houses is getting a lot of interest, so I need to put in an offer really quick.
Okay, so which house did I buy? Let me know in the comments. Leave me a comment and let me know which house did I buy. Did I buy the $20,000 fixer-upper, or did I buy the Dutch Colonial fixer-upper? So keep watching, and this is going to be a series of videos that I'm going to do. I'm going to do a series on remodeling the kitchen, a series on the bathroom, painting, looking for carpet, landscape, all those great things that you have to do when you buy and fix up a fixer-upper house. And I'll reveal it in the next video. So until then, bye-bye.